do any amount of serious riding out there, and I'm not talking about going to your friend's house or to the grocery store or to work or anything like that. I'm talking serious riding out there into the world where you may get lost. It's possible that you use some kind of a GPS device, whether it's Garmin or your own phone, something like that. Well, there, for the last couple of years, has been another alternative out there that lots of people have been kind of hip to lately. It started in Kickstarter, and now even Triumph has partnered with them, and it's called Beeline Moto. Okay, they started as a company that did GPS tracking for GPS routing, for bicycles, and pivoted into motorcycles. And it's a tiny little unit like this. It connects to your phone through Bluetooth, through their app, and you can plan routes and import GPX files and do all sorts of things. And all it does is just kind of shows you directions of which way to go. It's very neat. You don't have to use your phone. It's very minimal, and it almost looks like it fits right with parts of your motorcycle. I've used this for a couple of years now, and you know, it's got its pros and its cons. Okay, the pros are the reason why I keep using it. The pros are basically it's minimalist, it's unobtrusive, it's pretty much dead simple. It's an arrow pointing which way you're supposed to go, and a little circle that tells you where your next turn is going to be, in which direction, and a little dial that kind of tells you your progress. Okay, that's about it. And all you have to do is glance down, and it's telling you what it is, or glance at wherever you're mounted, and it's pretty nifty. I've used it in multiple multi-ride, multi-day rides, and it's worked great for me. The battery lasts forever. You have to charge it once. The charge is pretty quick, maybe an hour or two, and then it just works. It's on. The cons, however, really irritate me. First of all, their support is garbage. If something happens to your unit, for example, a strange dot develops and it's just there, regardless of whether the screen is on or off, they'll ignore you and not care. After multiple emails, I even attempted to contact them through Instagram. They just ignore you, don't care. That's a big con. I firmly believe customer service is number one, because without customer service, you will have no clients to purchase your stuff. Another con is that even though it's fairly simple, there is a bit of a learning curve, and sometimes it's frustratingly complicated. The layout, or the UI, the user interface, again, simple, straight to the point, but also confusing. The arrow points to what? I still don't understand. Where is it pointing? Is it pointing to the turn that I'm supposed to take next? Is it pointing to the direction I'm going? Is it pointing to the ultimate destination? Why is this circle the thing that indicates where the turn is? And why is the arrow only starts pointing to where I'm supposed to turn after I almost missed the turn? Ultimately, a lot of people are giving this little device props, and I will give it props for being dead simple, minimalistic. It comes in a couple of different finishes. It has different mounts that you can buy for different ways of obviously mounting to your motorcycle. I'll give it props for that, and it's ambitious. And the fact that Triumph has partnered with them shows you that they have something going here. But customer service, trash. Why? The thing is, I didn't even ask them to replace it. The only thing I asked them was, can it be fixed? we'll get back to you. And radio silence for almost a month now. So because of that, I can't really say that it's worth it. I mean, it's $150, $200 gadget. I'd rather buy a Garmin.